Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna look at Earnum and what they're building and why they're selling notes. For example, they have a 100% buyback guarantee 5 months after TGE. TGE is happening next month in November, and that means if you don't end up liking the note, you can get your entire money back. There's a full refund. The notes are NFTs and can be sold again, which means if you buy one for a cheaper price and you feel like selling it at any point, you can do so as well. They have a really insane marketing campaign lined up with hundreds and hundreds of influencers behind it. Most of the tiers are already sold out. We're in tier D at $500 a piece, tier E happening next with $750 a piece. And if you buy multiple notes, you also get some additional free stuff. Now here's the thing. They are top 25 on D-App Radar. Their company, Deloitte, grew by over 32,000%, and I think last year in 2023, they were the fastest growing software company in North America. And what they do is they have a sort of affiliate marketing website where you as a user can fill out different forms, get rewarded in points, that you can take surveys, play games, download stuff, outsource the internet, all those things that people do to make like an extra $1 or $2 a day. And they have over 45 million users total in Web 2 that can be now onboarded onto Web 3. Over $300 million were earned already and saved by their gamers and streamers. They work with Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, and a lot more, as they have something called an earned phone. You've probably heard about the Solana phone before. Think of this as a dedicated phone directly for their ecosystem, where everything you do on that phone earns your money. They worked with a lot of different people, have some high quality partners. For example, their notable Web 2 clients are Amazon, TikTok, Pokemon, Zynga, and more. They have legal things figured out. They were audited, have multiple partners, including Aether nodes of here. But we also have Seedify, Node Ops, Node Terminal, and more. 400 plus KOLs in their network, and the nodes are now being sold with a max supply of 45,000, but most importantly, they are far cheaper than most other nodes in the same category compared to Aether nodes, Xi nodes, or Calf nodes. They are a lot more affordable, less supply total, more token allocation, and also a bigger unlock at TGE, which is happening in November. The IDO for their token is also something that you unlock if you own a node. You can buy up to $145 at the IDO phase, where one token is worth 1 cent. That is happening on November 5th, so in about 1 week from now. And while there are a bunch of benefits, the most important things are the passive income side of thing, as well as the rewards pool behind it and the opportunity to stake and earn money every single month, as they already have a profitable business model that they can now onboard into Web 3, so we know for sure that it works, they've been in business for years, and they're making money. Holders are responsible for validating decisions around the distribution of Earnum tokens and mystery boxes, with an additional fixed airdrop reward in distribution that is happening over time. We see that 20% are just for user rewards, 10% for airdrops for node operators and holders, 10% for marketing, 10% for liquidity, and 35% for early backers, in which 50% of the entire token supply will be distributed and be in circulation until Q4 of 2026. So in the next 2 years, we should be at around 50% of tokens in circulating supply. There's lots of vesting and staking behind it, with some different colored graphs over here, as well as a loyalty rewards flywheel, where the entire system in here plays together how their partners make money, how the governance makes money, how the tokens are being used in the open market, how it's deflationary, how they buy back the tokens, and then they also give you additional utilities like the opportunity and option to upgrade NFTs, distribute sweepstakes entries, and more. And in most cases, when projects launch nodes, they just use it in order to get some money upfront and then use that in order to develop a project. In here, everything is done already, but you can participate now while they're already profitable. Plus, if you don't like the nodes at any point in the future, 5 months after TGE, so around April of next year, you can simply refund it and get your money back. I will leave a link down below. If you like it, check it out. You know it is not financial advice, just something that you might want to look into. And until next time, bye guys.